kutokana na hali ngumu ya maisha. Akihutubu wakati wa misa ya ndoa katika kanisa Katoliki la St. Teresa of Baby Jesus, Diocese ya Ngenya, Askofu wa kanisa Katoliki Philip Anyollo amesema serikali inastahili kuwazingatia watu maskini katika jamii. Ameitaka serikali vile vile kukamilisha ujenzi wa barabara na kukariri kwamba viongozi wa dini nchini wanapinga vikali ndoa za jinsia moja.
There is a need for peace, there is a need for economic stability, there is a need for health assurances, and there is a need for everything. And these are the circumstances in which Jesus Christ himself also came to be born and to continue rescuing us. As Christians, our faith tells us that Jesus Christ is not coming for nothing, but is coming to remind us. The economy is very poor, and we have continued and we shall continue to ask the government of Kenya to be mindful of the people who are poor, because at all costs the government can make efforts and turn around things if it focuses on the needs of the poor. The problem and the challenges that we have within our governments is that every party that comes in wants to